Hello everyone, my name is Rishikesh, and today date is 8th of September 2022, and our today's video topic is constructor in Java. So today we will see what is meant by constructor, why it is used in Java, and we can how we can use it in Java. So first of all, we will know what is meaning of a constructor. So constructor is a special type of method in a Java. The constructor is used when object is created, and a new object is created in a class. Also, constructor is used to pass the arguments to the object. Then there are some rules in the Java to declare the constructor. So while declaring the constructor, first rule which we should follow is the name of the constructor has to be same as the name of the class. Then for example, if we have a class name student, then and we are declaring the constructor in this class, in that class, then we have to declare the constructor with the name of a student. Then second rule of the declaring the constructor is we cannot use the keywords like static, private, synchronization, then final. These keywords cannot be used while declaring the constructor. Then third rule is we have to mention the access modifier while declaring the constructor, or the accessibility, which means we can access the other classes objects. Then fourth rule is that we cannot mention the return type while declaring the constructor. Then there are a few types of the constructor in Java. First type is a default constructor or non-argument constructor, and the second type is a parameterized constructor. So default constructor. Default constructor is a constructor which is created by a compiler when if there is a no constructor present in a class, then Java creates the default constructor with zero argument. So that constructor is called as a default constructor. Then for example, we have a class which name is student, and in which there are instances like a string name and int id. Then we will declare the constructor which is constructor student, and initialize the variable, and then we will create another method which is display, and there we will print the there we will print the name and id of the student. And then next we will declare a main class where we will create an object and call that constructor, but we will get a null value for string and zero value for int, because we didn't have passed any arguments in constructor. Then second type is a parameterized constructor. Here this constructor is created by a user or developer, where we can pass the parameters to the constructor. For example, we have a class which is an employee. Then we have string name and int id instances in that class. Then we will declare the constructor which is the employee, where we will initialize the variable that is string and name, and while declaring the constructor, we will pass the parameters in the parentheses, that is int n and string n and int I, so that value will be stored in initialized variables. Then we will declare the another method which is method display, where we will print the value, where we will print the name and id, and then we will declare the so then we will create the new object in the public class, where we will call the constructor and pass the value to the string and integer, and then we will get the output which is we are given to the constructor. Thank you.